MashaAllah. Now, what is ana? Mubtada. Where is the khabar? Bi khair. What is bi khair? Jar majroor, shibu jumla khabar. Are you with me? Huh? Jar majroor, shibu jumla khabar. And then waw is ataf. And what is alhamdu? Mubtada. Where is the khabar? Lillahi, jar majroor, shibu jumla khabar. See, it's easy now. But at least you know exactly what you are saying. You are just not memorize it, but now you are saying exactly. You know, the words are part of you now. Okay, but then most of the time you will also hear this way. Kaifa haluka ya akhi bi khair. What will he say? Bi khair. What did he say? Only he said the khabar. Mubtada, he ate it. Maybe he was too hungry. Or he was too much in rush. Actually it is ana bi khair, but he say bi khair. So mubtada can be dropped. Mubtada only in this particular case. Or if I ask you, Masmuka ya akhi, he will say Muhammad. So Muhammad is khabar. What is the mubtada? Ismi. Ism was dropped. Ismi Muhammad, he just dropped it. But it is there. And Muhammad is only the khabar. Ready? Min aina anti? Huh? If I have to ask brother, min aina anta? From where you are? If I ask a sister, min aina anti? And what is the answer? Ana min Surya. What is Surya? Syria. Huh? Ana min Surya. You will say ana min Canada. Okay? Fine. Masmuki. Huh? Masmuki. What is your name? Ismi Amina. What is Ismi? My name. Where is Mubtada? Ismu. Wa huwa mudaf. And ya mutakallim, mudaf ilayhi. And what is Aminatu? Khabar. MashaAllah. Aina abuki. See, abuki. Ki tells me you are bornness. Anti. Aina abuki. Where is your father? Abi. What is Abi? My father. More than that. Abu, Mubtada, wa huwa mudaf, and ya mutakallim, mudaf ilayhi. Break it. Abi is two words. Abu plus ya mutakallim. Father and my. Okay, my father. Father of mine. If you say of, then you will say father of mine. Abi huna. What is huna? Zarf. It only came on its own. Zarfu makan. Fil madinatil munawwara. So fil madinatil munawwara, fi harf jar, al madinati ism majrur, and naat. Munawwara is the naat. Huwa. Oh, this is simple. What is huwa? Mubtada. Where is the khabar? Mufattishun. What is the mufattishun? Inspector. Mufattishun fil madrasatil thanawiyati. Fil madrasatil thanawiyati. Fi harf jar, ism majroor, and then what is that? Naat. Thanawiyati is al madrasatil thanawiyati is naat manut. Inshallah. Okay. But we got secondary school. Okay. He's the inspector in the secondary school. Okay, brother? We will say fil madrasi, only jar majroor, nothing more. Wa aina ummuki? And where is your mother? You can translate, inshallah. Hiya aidan huna. Full stop. She is also here. So what is here? Mubtada. Where is the khabar? Huna. Huna is your khabar. What will you call huna? Zarf. When you say zarf, what will you say? Shibu jumla khabar. If it comes as a khabar, shibu jumla khabar. Fine, brother. Hiya tabibatun. Okay. She is a doctor. Where is she the doctor? Fi mustashfal wiladati. Fi mustashfal wiladati. In the maternity hospital. Now, you know, fi is harf jar. We need ism majroor. Where is ism majroor? Mustashfa. But you see, it ends with a ya, so we don't see the vowel signs. Remember, fa, fatha is not on ya. It is before ya. There is no vowel sign on ya. This is a special noun. We will learn later on, inshallah. Okay? Then it is ism majroor. And at the same time, it is mudaf. And al-wiladati is mudaf ilayhi. Okay, fine, brother. Man hadhil fatatul lati ma'aka. Okay. Brother, we learned other day fatan. What did we learn? Fatan. Means young fellow. Young fellow. Okay, 15, 16, young fellow. If you put al, then it will become al-fatah. Tanween will go away. This is also a special noun. We are going to learn later on in book 3. And what is the muannas of this? Fatahatu. What is it? Muannas of them is fatahatun. What is it? Fatahatun. Fa, ta, and then tun. And you put al, it will become al, fa, ta, tu. Are you with me, brothers and sisters? So what is al-fatatu? Young lady. Al-fatatu is young lady. Fine, brothers and sisters. Man hadhil fatatu allati ma'aka. Because it's a question mark, we won't analyze. We will just translate. Who is this young lady who is with you? Who is this young lady who is with you? Ahiya ukhtuki? Is she your sister? La. No. Okay. Hiya bintu ammi. Bintu ammi. Okay, brother. What is hiya? Mubtada. Bintu ammi. How many words are there? Three. Mashallah. But once you can identify that, then our job becomes easy. Where is the khabar? Bintu. Wa huwa mudaf. Where is mudaf ilayhi? Ammi. Without ya. And then ya mutakalim is afterwards. Let me write down, brother. Bintu. I am writing like this so that you can easily break it down. What is bintu, brother? Khabar. And at the same time it is mudaf. And what is this, brothers and sisters? Mudaf ilayhi. Wa huwa mudaf. And then this is mudaf ilayhi. Got the idea? So we got three words in it. If you can understand this, brother, what shall I say? You are excellent. This is a very beautiful thing. And inshallah, then your understanding, what we call it in Urdu, pukhta. Your understanding is clear and is comprehensive. Okay. Okay. Masmuha. What is the translation? What is her name? How will you reply? Ismuha Fatimatu. What is ismu? Mubtada. Huwa mudaf. Where is mudaf ilayhi? Ha. Okay. And then Fatimatu khabar. Ready? Ahiya zamila tuki. Is she your classmate, colleague? Brother, before was zamilu. Now it became zamila tu. Why tu? Muannas. What is the answer? La. No. Ana mubtada film. Which? But it is a question. We don't analyze. We'll get confused. Okay. Zamila tuki. What is zamila tuki itself? Two words. What are they? Mudaf ilayhi. Khalas. That's good enough. Ana mubtada. Where is the khabar? Fil madrasatil mutawassitati. Mutawassitati. Ana fil madrasatil mutawassitati. Okay, brother, fine. What is fi? Archer. Where is Ism Majrur? Al-Madrasati. And what is Al-Mutawassitati? Naat. Middle school. What is it? Ana, I am in the middle school. Wahiya, and she is fil madrasati thanawiyati. Fil madrasati thanawiyati. She is in the secondary school. Okay, fine. Alaki ukhtun. Alaki ukhtun. Because this dialogue is between two ladies, you know. Alaki ukhtun. What is it, brothers and sisters? Do you have a sister? La. What is la? Harfu nafi hai. This is harfu nafi. Mali ukhtun. Mali ukhtun. Now let us analyze mali ukhtun. Ma is a nafi, harfu nafi. What is li? Jar majrur, shubu jumla, khabar muqaddam, and a khabar has come in advance. And where is mubtada? Ukhtun. You see it is indefinite, it came late. Okay? When the mubtada is definite, it doesn't need coffee. When mubtada is indefinite, he feels drowsy, so he stops at Tim Horton. And then he comes in the lesson little late. Okay? But when the mubtada is definite, he does not like coffee. He comes right away. Okay? Ready? Alaki akhun. Do you have a brother? What is the answer? Naam. Li akhun kabirun. How will you analyze that, brother? Li, jar majrur, shubu jumla khabar. Are you with me, brothers and sisters? Sister Salma? Where is mubtada? What is kabirun, abir? Naat. Naat, okay. Wahuwa and ataf, huwa. It's a new sentence. Mubtada and talibun, khabar. What is bil jamiyati? Jar majrur. Khalas. Jar majrur. وَمَنْ هَذَا الْطِفْلُ الَّذِي مَعَكِ. And who is this little fellow with you? Tiflu is a male child, little boy, you know. وَمَنْ هَذَا الْطِفْلُ الَّذِي مَعَكِ. Who is this little fellow who is with you? وَابْنُ أَخِي. He is son of my brother. Look at it. Ibnu Akhi. How many words? Three words. MashaAllah. Now if there are three words, we can easily analyze, you know. Huwa mubtada. Where is the khabar? Ibnu. Wa huwa mudaf. And what is mudaf ilayhi? Akhi. Without ya. And then Akhi becomes mudaf. And ya mutakalam becomes mudaf ilayhi. Inshallah it is clear to you. Masmuhu. See how Dr. Sahib is using all these different pronouns. Masmuhu. What is his name? Masmuhu. What is the answer? Ismuhu. Sa'dun. So, ismu mubtada, huwa mudaf, hu mudaf ilayhi. Ummuki fil bayt al-ana. How will you translate? Is your mother in the house now? La. Brother, what is the sentence? Jumla failure. It came Jumla failure. Are you with me, Sister Salma? Look at the sentence. There is no ism in the beginning. It's a verb in the beginning. Zahabat ila al-mustashfa. Okay, brother, what is zahabat? Fi'al. Analyze it properly. Where is the fi'al? Zahaba. Where is the verb? Zahaba only. What is next one? Ta'u tanisi. So we analyze it. Zahaba is the verb. And what is next? Ta'u tanisi. Are you with me, brothers and sisters? And where is the fa'il? Mustatir, mashallah, mashallah. Brother, whenever I ask in the class, sometimes somebody who's either not paying attention or maybe he forgot, he says, Zahabat, where is the file? Ta is the file. I said, brother, I got a very weak heart. Don't say these things. Ta is a ta'utanisi. Feminine. It only tells us that the doer of the action is a feminine. File is mustatir in this particular case. And what is ilal mustashfa? Jar majrur. Now, brother, these questions, okay, number one, ikra waktub, read and write. Okay, no vowel signs. Because now Dr. Abdul Rahim thinks you have all become expert. And you will figure out yourself whether the noun is a marfu or majroor. We are not learning mansoob, so that is one consolation. We don't have to worry about putting fatahs there. Okay. Now see whom the question is asked. Ya Abi. So then the pronoun has to be masculine. Are you with me? So what will you say? Kaifa haluka. We have to figure out now. Kaifa haluka ya Abi. Next one is Ummi. What will you say? Kaifa haluki ya Ummi. Got the idea, brothers and sisters? You will write down, brothers and sisters, and put proper vowel signs. Okay. Now you are asking Zainab. You are asking Zainab. Yes, Brother Farooq. Oh, my father. Ya, oh, Abi, my father. Ya, we are going to tell you a lot. I'm just trying to, brothers and sisters, I'm just trying to take my time. I would love to explain you these things, but I want to take my time. Ya is called harfu nida. What is it called? Now by this time you know harf. It's a particle. Nida is calling. Harfu nida. Ya is a harfu nida. In English we call it vocative particle. Vocative particle. But we will prefer to use Arabic terminology. Harfu nida. And if there is a harfu nida, then there is a munada. The one who is called. But we are going to take this different time, inshallah, not today. Okay. Now you are asking Zainab. So watch. So, Aynabnu ki, ya Zainab. Where is your son, O Zainab? Aynabnu ki. Because you are asking Zainab. Okay. What is the answer? Zahaba ila al-masjid. See, now the verbs will come. But only simple verbs in the simple form it will come. Okay. What is Zahaba, brothers and sisters? Fi'al Madi. Where is the fa'il? Mustatar. He went to the masjid. Ila al-masjid, jar majrur. Next one, Ya Amina. Aina bintu ki ya Amina. See, Brother Muhammad, you can figure out now. From the sentence, whether it is ka or it is he, depending on whom you are addressing. Aina bintuki ya Amina. What is the answer? Zahabat ila al-madrasati. How will you translate? She went to the school. Zahaba fi'al, ta'u tanisi, and the file is mustatir. MashaAllah, MashaAllah. Alhamdulillah. Now there are two questions. So we are not going to analyze those. We will only translate. Liman hadhihi sa'atul jamilatu. Liman hadhihi sa'atul jamilatu. Are you with me? Okay. Ahiya, what will you say? Ahiya la ki. Because it is Fatima. Ahiya la ki ya Fatima. Translate, brother.
For whom is this beautiful watch?
Belong. Yes. Yeah. And then next one, brother. Is it for you? Does it belong to you? Fatima. What is the answer? Nam. What is the hiya? Li. Okay, brother, what is here li? It belongs to me. What is here? Mubtada. Where is the khabar? Li. What is li? Jar majroor, shibu jumla, khabar. Got the idea? Alhamdulillah. Alhamdulillah. Yes. Yeah. Aina bin Tuki. You know why ki? Because you are asking a sister. Where is your daughter? Bin Tuki. Huh? Fine. Brothers and sisters. Ahada kalamuka ya Muhammad. Translate, brother. Is this your pen? Muhammad. Muhammad replies, La. Hada kalamuka. This is your pen. Okay. Hada mubtada. Where is khabar? Kalamu. Huwa mubtada, mudaf. And where is ka? Mudaf ilayh. And what is this anta doing here? Anta should not come here. It is coming here for tawqeed, for emphasize. Because anta is a, brother, pronoun which is marfu. It comes as a subject. Mubtada most of the time. All of the time rather. Okay. So, it comes as a subject. It comes as a mubtada all the time. Okay. But here it is coming at the end of the sentence. So, it means for emphasis. For emphasis. Are you with me? For emphasizing. Hada kalamuka anta. This is your pen, your. Are you with me? This is your pen, your. Just for emphasis. Okay?
Redundancy, right? Because kalamuka is also your pen.
Yes. Just to make it a stronger point. You can sometimes use that. You can use that. To make your point more strong. Okay? Okay, brother, keep your pencils ready because we are getting Ismul Mawsula and we will try to figure out Silatul Mawsul. We'll try to figure out Silatul Mawsul and we will try to figure out where is Mubtada and where is Khabar. You know, Mubtada can come in the beginning and the Khabar can be mile away at the end of the sentence. Okay? We have to figure out. Tilka sayaratul jamilatu. No vowel signs. I cannot give a kasra here. There is no harf jar. Tilka sayaratul jamilatu. What is tilka? Ismu ishara. Mubtada. And what is the sayaratu? Badal, mashallah. Are you with me? Ishara came and then alif lam came with the noun. And what is jamilatu? Naat, masha. And allati. Ism mawsula. Allati is ism mawsula. Which? Okay, now comes kharajat. Al-ana min al-madrasati. Yani it went out. Kharajat. Brother, kharajat. Remember kharaja and now ta'u tanisi. You want to put vowel signs, brother? Kharajat. Kharajat. This is ta'u tanisi. Okay. Kharaja is verb. Ta'u tanisi is the sign of feminine. And where is our file? Mustatir. What is the estimation of it? Taqdiruhu? Here. Because it is, see, third person here. And here goes to where? To car. To the car. Allati, it goes to allati. And allati goes to the car. Are you with me? So in other words, the file goes to the car. Inshallah. Allati, al-ana. What is al-ana? Zarful zaman. Adverb of time. And what is min al-madrasati? Jar majroor. Khalas? Okay. Okay. And then what is lil mudiri? Shibu jumla khabar. Are you with me? Sister Salma, I'll go slowly. Now Sister Salma, tell me, remove everything. Just give me mubtada and khabar. Tilka sayaratul jamilatu lil mudiri. You got the idea? That is our main sentence. Tilka sayaratu al-jamilatu. Okay, tilka mubtada, as-sayaratu badal, al-jamilatu naat, lil mudiri is your jar majrur shubu jumla khabar. But then we got ismul mawsul, allati. And where is the silatul mawsul? Kharajat al-ana min al-madrasati. Brother, put a bracket with allati up to madrasati. With a pencil. Brother Muhammad, you already got it. Now you can underline silatul mawsul. Which is kharajat. Allati is ism mawsul. Where is the silatul mawsul? Kharajat. Kharajat al-ana min al-madrasati. Are you with me? Did all of you get it? Sister Arifa, inshallah. Sister Maimuna, Aisha, inshallah. Yes?
I don't think you did Silatul Mawsul, did you?
Of course we did it. You were too busy.
I'm too confused.
No, okay.
It's probably busy writing. I'm so sorry.
No, okay. I will explain again. Actually, I'm not supposed to tell you these things. Dr. Abdarim may get upset with me. What are you doing? These are to be done in book 3. But I felt these are very beautiful things and you are very smart and intelligent. So I am taking a chance and explaining you all these things. The simplest way, brother and sister, I'll give you 2 sentences. Brother? Al-kitabu allazi al-maktabi lil-mudarris. Are you with me, brother? What is al-kitabu? Mubtada. And now allazi is describing that. So it is ismu mawsula, but I can still call it as a naat. Because it is describing, isn't it? What does naat do? It gives further description of man'ut. So, remember, haza, ismu ishara. Fine. Haza can be a file. Haza can be an object. Haza can be an ism majroor. Haza can be mubtada. Haza can be anything. Depends what role it plays in the sentence. Similarly, brother and sister, allazi can be file, can be adjective, naat, can be a mubtada, can be khabar, can be anything. That is a different thing that we will describe. But the thing is that after allazi, there will be a phrase or a sentence which will be specially connected to it. It will be specially connected to it. Are you with me? And that connection is called silatul mawsul. It's connecting to the... Okay. Now look at this sentence. Al-kitabul ladhi al-maktabi. If you remove al-ladhi and the sila connection, what is left now? Al-kitabu lil-mudarris. Are you with me? What is left now is al-kitabu lil-mudarris. So brothers, we say al-kitabu mubtada. What is it? Mubtada. Al-ladhi is ismu mawsula. In this case it is not, but that is going too far, too advanced. But I will say a few things if you understand, alhamdulillah. And if you don't understand, what do I always say? Don't worry.
That's why I didn't worry about it.
Because we will be, don't be gabrified. Don't be gabrified. We will be repeating it so many times that inshallah, you will, by the end of the course, you will all become very, very strong, all of you. And I pray that may Allah grant you success in this course. Brothers and sisters, you are very, very special. You have taken your time off from your daily lives, sacrificed yourself, coming here, long distance driving, and then at home you go and do your homework. But brother, nothing comes without effort. Huh? No pain, no gain. Remember this. No pain, no gain, brother. Huh? So, brothers and sisters, what is Alal Maktabi? Jar Majrur. What is doing it here? It is connected with Allazi. So I will call Alal Maktabi Silatul Mawsul. What is Silatul Mawsul? Huh? Huh? Because this is connected with Kitab. Are you with me? Try to understand. If you don't understand, I say don't worry. Can you translate, Sister Salma?
Yeah, the book
Which
is
is?
on the table.
Ah.
Belongs to the table.
Yeah. So on the table is connected with which? Okay. Now I write another sentence. Huh, brother? What did I write, brothers and sisters? What did we write? Minal Hindi. Translation, brother? The new student.
Who left now from the class is from India.
India. MashaAllah. Excellent. So you see, you can translate. Huh? MashaAllah. That is beautiful. Now we analyze. Where is our Mubtada and where is our Khabar? Only tell me Mubtada and Khabar. At-Talibu is your Mubtada. Huh? And where is the Khabar? Minal Hindi. So you remove everything and just give me Mubtada and Khabar. At-Talibu Minal Hindi. Khalas, brother. That is the main sentence. But then you are describing that student. Okay, At-Talibul Jadidu. What is Jadidu? Nath, for Talib. Okay, and then Allazi is also a Nath because further describes. But Allazi is Ismu Mausula. Huh? Okay, so where could be the Silatul Mausul? Kharaja ana min al-fasli. So what is kharaja? Fi'al. Where is fa'il? Mustatir. Taqdiruhu huwa. Al-ana zarfu zaman. And then min al-fasli jar majrur. So I will say that this thing, brother and sister, is Silatul Mausul. But this is, we are supposed to do in book 3. But I think because this is an intensive course, and you are all very strong, mashallah, so I am, getting a little bolder and telling you many things which we will be later on studying. But even if you understand, Sister Salma, 75%, that itself will make later on things very easy for you. Yes, Sister Naima? Silatul Mausul? What did I write, brothers, sisters? Look at this vowel signs. Silatul Mudaf Mudaf ilayh. Alhamdulillah. This is the way you will always figure out. Silatul Mausuli. Mudaf Mudaf ilayh. Alhamdulillah. Alhamdulillah. Ismul Mausulu. What is it? There will be always Al-Ismu Al-Mausulu. Are you with me? And that it will have a... Okay, now I give you something. I'm just because this comes in the Quran and we say it all the time. I would love to explain you Surah Al-Fatiha, brother. I would love to explain you Surah Al-Fatiha, and when you will understand it properly, it will give you so much joy, brother. Inshallah. I want you to get a little more stronger. Okay. Basic things. And a scholar can speak for days on Surah Al-Fatiha. Scholar can speak. But we are doing something which is straightforward, taking the meaning and then trying to understand with our small intelligence what it means, from the understanding of the language. Okay? Ihdina siratal mustaqim. What is after that? Siratal ladhina. Huh? See, alayhim. Huh? You say alayhim. Okay. Now, sirata is a mansub. There is a reason for it. We are not going in detail because we haven't studied that mansub, why the noun becomes mansub. Later on we will study. But look at siratal ladhina. So, al-lazi is a singular, al-lazina is plural. What do you form out of this? Siratal ladhina. Siratal ladhina. The path, remember what I am saying? The path of those. What did I say? The path of those. So what does it mean? Mudaf ilayhi. You got the idea? What is siratal ladhina? Mudaf ilayhi. The path of those. So see, I use of. So it is mudaf ilayhi. Now, al-lazina is mudaf ilayhi. And it is ism mawsula. Okay? Now we should have a silatul mawsul. Where is the silatul mawsul? An'amta alayhim. So what will be an'amta? See, what is ta here? What is ta here, brother and sister? Ta is a file. Okay? I tell you your ability. I'm writing a verb and I want you to conjugate it. This verb we will be studying in book 4. An'ama. What is the verb? Can you conjugate? I bet you can conjugate. An'ama, an'ama, an'amu, an'amat, an'amata, an'amna, an'amta, an'amtuma, an'amtum, an'amti, an'amtuma, an'amtunna, an'amtu, an'amna. See, how did you do it? You just started learning Arabic and you can conjugate this? It's amazing. But you see,
The verb is 4 letter in this case.
Yeah, we are going to learn this. The root, brother, I told you in the beginning, all the verbs will go to the 3-letter root. What is the root of an'ama? Na'ama. 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 Blessing. Na'ama. And niyama. And also in'am comes from here. It's a masdar. All these things we will be studying. Naima, yes. Naima. So the root of your word is na'ama. But the Arabic is fascinating. There is no language like Arabic, Okay. All these things we will be doing in the book 3. Now, the thing is, Sister Salma, Siratal Ladhina, Mudaf ilayhi. And then Al-Azina is Ism Mawsula. Then where is the Silatul Mawsul? An'amta alayhi. Got it?
So if you were to describe that Ism Mawsul in the definition form, how would you define it?
No, Ism Mawsula, when you will see Al-Ladhi, Al-Lati. Right now we are only doing Al-Ladhi, Al-Lati. Muannas and Mudhakkar form. Okay? And later on we'll be doing Al-Ladhina, Al-Lati. And then also Al-Ladhani will come. But those are all book 3. So we should not worry about this. My point is only this, brothers and sisters. As I said, I'm not supposed to do it. But I'm still doing it. Because I feel if I do it now, little by little, you will get stronger and stronger, inshallah. So, brothers and sisters, the point is, okay, tilka sayaratul jamilatu. Fahida? Allati came. Allati is also a naat. Like jamilatu, allati is also a naat. Huh? Okay? Kharajat al-ana minal, kharajatil ana minal madrasati is your, the whole sentence, jumla failure is your silatul mawsul. Put it into bracket, even if you put it into bracket, later on when you will revise, you will understand, inshallah. Lil mudiri is your jar majrur shibu jumla khabar. Now, brother, anta muhandisun ya sayyidi. No, ya sayyidi means oh sir. Huh? Sir, and madam, okay? Anta muhandisun ya sayyidi. Are you an engineer? Sir, are you an engineer? La. No. Ana tabibun. Mubtada khabar. No, sayyidi is a masculine. And what will be the muannas? Sayyidati. Sayyidati. Madam. Okay? Sayyidun and sayyidatun. Huh? Ya is your, ya is mutakallim. Ya is mutakallim. Huh? Okay? Fine. Anti tabibatun ya sayyidati. Are you a doctor? Ma'am? Are you a doctor? What is the answer? La. Ana mudarisatun. I am a teacher. Fine, brother? Okay, brother? We are still 7 minutes to tea time, but the halwa puri has come right away now. The next question is all halwa puri, brother. Huh? You will be able to do it because the exercise that we do, you know it, brother. اقرأ كل جملة من الجملة الآتية ثم اقرأها مرة أخرى. مرة أخرى means one more time. بعد تغيير, by changing المنادى. Remember I said منادى كما هو موضح في المثال. Okay, brother. Look at the مثال. Change the person whom you are addressing. And when you change the person, some changes will occur in the sentence. Okay? Aina kalamuka ya abi. What is the translation?
Where is your pen, oh my father?
Oh, so you said kalamuka. Now if you want to ask your mother, how will you say Aina? Come on, give me a break. This is too easy. This is too easy. So all that you have to do is just change masculine into feminine, brother. Aina baytu. Aina baytuka. See, aina baytuka. Ya sayyidi. So now, oh, did I? Okay, sorry. Okay. Aindaka kalamun ya Muhammad. What will you say now? Aindaki kalamun ya. Now, we know this. We are now expert. Alhamdulillah. Would you agree with me, Brother Hassan? We can do it with ease. Huh? Would you like to call this halwa puri, or shall we call it bhajia pakoda? Okay. Aina baytuka ya sayyidi. What will you say? Aina baytuki ya sayyidi. Oh, that's all you have to do, brother and sister. But here is my warning. If you won't write it, then you will not become strong. You've got to write it. By writing those ka, ki with the noun will make you strong. Are you with me, Brother Farooq? I know you are busy. But one has to find time, brother. You got to find time. Work hard as much as you can. This is a jihad for us. We got to learn this language in 7 months, inshallah. Ahada daftaru lakaya Ali. What will you say? Ya Fatima, Ahaza daftaru laki. Khalas, that's all. Huh? Next one, brother. Min aina anta ya akhi. Min aina anti ya akhi. Ukhti. Min aina anti ya ukhti. Okay. Aina abuka ya Khalid. Aina abuki ya Khatija. Okay. Anta maridun ya Khali. Anti maridatun. See, now we have to watch. Anti maridatun ya Khalati. Fine, brother. Are you with me? Did anybody ask any question? No. Aina bintuka ya ammi. Aina bintuka ya ammi. Aina bintuki ya ammati. Okay. Alaka akhun ya Hamid. Alaki akhun ya Suad. Maza indaka ya akhi. What do you have? Maza indaki ya ukhti. Brother, look at this. Assalamu alayka ya abi. What will you say to the mother? Assalamu alayki ya ummi. Now, didn't I tell you it was halwa puri? Sister Naima? Huh? Annis. Make muannas. Annis al-fa'il fi kullin min al-jumal al-atiyati. Okay? Fine, brother. Misal. Kharaja Muhammadun min al-bayti. What is now the muannas? Kharajat Aminatu min al. See, now we know it, inshallah. We practiced for a few days, so we are very strong. ذهب المدرس إلى الفصل. Now, ذهبت المدرسة. You will make it muannas. المدرسة إلى الفصل. ذهب أبي إلى المستشفى. ذهبت أمي إلى. So if you will write it, you will become strong. جلست الطالب في الفصل. جلست الطالبة في الفصل. Very good. خرج أخي من البيت. خرجت أختي من البيت. Now you have to ponder on this. تأمل ما يلي. Ponder what follows. جلست طالب. How will you pronounce it? جلست طالب. جلست طالب. Because طالب is a sun letter. Okay, now when you change it, brothers and sisters, something will happen. Okay, I am putting here Shadda. Sahi? This is a sukoon here, brother. Are you with me? And what is this? What is this, brothers and sisters? Hamzatul Wasal. I cannot pronounce it because something else come in the front. So, this is not to be pronounced. And this also, because it is a sun letter, I cannot pronounce it. But there are two sukoons now. So what will happen now? In order to pronounce it, I make a little surgery and I give it a kasra.